So we're gonna look these machines again. First is Candy, Rapido. Mighty People Republic of China. Model R04 1274 DWMT/1S. So we got here is Rapid here. I don't know what's this. Hygiene steam. 20 cotton steam silk synthetic. I don't know. Rinse, spin and drain. Or hand wash. Or just hand wash synthetics. Clean. Eco 4060s. Steam Smart. Shirt here. Auto clean. Soya. Here. Here. Soya. Options. Daytime. Star Wars. Easy iron. Spin. Temperature. Here we have Candy Smart. Once again, mate, People Republic of China. Model CSWS 4852 DWE/1S. Smartwatch. Clean, cons plus pre-wash. Eco 4060. Delicate 20. Synthetics. Rinse, spin direct. No dry spin. Dry wool, dry synthetics, dry cotton. Hand wash. Easy iron. 14, 50, 44. Perfect cotton 59. Star Wars. Spin, temperature, rabbit/soil, daytime, dry/steam. You know, so this is water dry, and there's the dry options. It said my selection. The soil said it's actually kilogram detector. Okay. So next we have algae. (4A1F 4083). Off on program here. Wash cotton Eco 4060. Turn backwards actually. I just LG models. Mixed fabric. Easy care. LG care. Delicate cons turbo speed 14 dry only wash plus dry rinse and spin, and if you want to spin you should click and click on the spin. So you pre-wash, rinse plus dry, delay end, top clean, spin, temperature, hold 3 seconds, beep on off. Try lock. Samsung. You are Samsung. WD10 T634 DBH/7. You can say the program does like this the same thing. It doesn't. Down here is a program selection. All of Star Wars. There's a program here. I don't know. Temperature. Rinses. Here. Spin. Speed. Which was auto. Beko. This is Turbo Dryer, I think. I don't know what model. Recycled dry, unfinished, on 8 kilo, 8 plus plus. Contigas, Fattis Jeans, Daily Express, Duvet, Darwear, Outdoor Sports, Time Program, Hygienic Refresh, Hygienic Drying, Towels, Bedding, Mix, Steam, Ready to Wear. Different, I don't know, towel, draw me here, bell, temperature. No, just 3 seconds, try log, 3 seconds, time delay on. This is not time delay, I don't know what time is this. Steam, delay and time delay, sorry. And Star Wars. Beko washing machine this time. It's already open, mainly Turkey. B5DF D59442W. That's how you close it. This B500. Called EK46 products, woolens, express, shirts, down to program, spin drain, rinse, cold dry, sun dry, water dry, hygiene plus water dry, water wear, hygiene, therapy, temperature, speed, pre-wash, quick pulse, fast pulse, sorry, dry, today auto here, stop pulse, the Bluetooth is here, Bluetooth, Sherlock, Steam, auto clean. That's another Beko, 7 kilo, 1400. This is 96 kilo. I'm not sure how many RPMs is this. Okay, so this Beko is made in Romania. I don't like it. WE7026 XWST. Cons. You get 4060 Arctics Express. One's handle. This one's Express. Repair Express. Dead care. Daily program. Spin drain. Rinse. Dark hair jeans. Outdoor sports. This is Sten Expert. Hygiene Plus. Darwear. Shirts. Temperature speed. Wait, 3 seconds. Pre-wash, auto clean 3 seconds. The extra 3 seconds. Fast, dry log 3 seconds. Delay, start. Behind delay. Auto 3 seconds. Stop. Yeah. We have the Electrolux. So it's Electrolux. EW2DN 5261 FE. AK-46 Recon, Robotics, Delicate, Express Care, Rapid 30 minutes, Rapid 14 minutes, Spin, Drain, Rinse, Anti-allergy, Down-allergy Jacket, Sport, Horse Silk. Yeah. temperature, spin speed, temperature is 90, 60, 40, 30, 20, cold, speed is 200, 800, 400, no spin until I suck. Yeah. Delay start, delay 3, 6, 9 hours, push, quick, accurate. These are the options I use. Dialogue and key look and jot. The treasure's dialogue. The treasure's dialogue. Let's move on. Go to last time. LG 8 kilo. What's this doing here? 3M 1F5133. On off. Put it on. Wash cotton IKEA 4060 mixed fabric. Easy care, orange get. With spin duvet, speed 14, spawn to wear, cotton turbo. Delicates. Pre-wash. Test or stop horse. Rinse, delay and top clean, spin, temperature. Listen. What do you have here? The LG. This G. M1 F5789. On off. Whole cotton. IKEA 4060 mixed fabric. Easy care. Orange care. Spin duvet, speed 14. Sport wear. Cotton turbo. It's stop horse, pre-wash, rinse pause, delay and top clean, spin, temperature. Here's the bottle we have. Yeah, this is another glass. You got two of these. One of plastic on one glass. Model is where's the model? Because silence drive understanding series 6 cottons plus brioche IKEA 4060 Easycare Dark Silk or Quick Mix, rinse, spin drain, drum clean, dark wash, super quick, 15-20 minutes, sportswear, 100 plus. Anti-stain temperature, speed reduction, less ironing, extra rinse, finished in, speed perfect, stop pulse. But on Samsung looks like this on now dark edition. How do I open it? Here we go. DC6803406B 20-year warranty on the motor digital inverter. Yes. The program. So yeah, on off stop pulse. We're gonna see the rinses, Specific plus. No, it's just hotel. Becco. The doors. There we go. Once again, my dear Romania. Oh, come on. B3WFU 6942 Music is on. As you can see. But Speed dry, rinse on the spot. Then expert. Hygiene plus. Divide our shirts. Steam therapy. Temperature, speed, pre-wash, steam, fast, dry time, toilet day, auto. Stop. Here you go. Higher is the higher we have. Made in China. What's it smell like? I don't know. HW80. Oh, I'm scared of this song. B14979. On off. I'm not sure where's the Star Pause button. It's any program. This is second edition of it. EK 4060. It's near dry. 20 degrees. Spin dedicated. Cotton. Speed 15 minutes. Towels, Sycotics, mix, baby. This is corn. I think this is a real corn. I'm not sure what the program is. This. Well, what are the options? Here are the options. Actions, speed, temperature, alarm. Delay, steam, here, time window. This is Star Pause one. Becco. This is Becco we have. It's for now 5 PM, maybe. Where's the model? There's no model. Becco models. Series 4. On it. Assist 8 kilo because sun drive. Cons EK 4060. Easy get delicate silk or quick mix, rinse, spin drain, do clean, dark wear. Super quick 15 minutes. Sportswear shirts, blouses. Hygiene plus, on assist. Iron assist. Temperature, special finishing, speed protect, assurance, pre-wash, start reload. The back of it is done on model on anywhere here. So. Anyways, LG we have here. Three M1 F 4, 5, 7, 6. But this video is now 20 minutes long. Off, stop balls. All wash, cotton, Eco 4060. Mix Fabric, easy care, orange care, and spin. Juvace B14, Botware, Turbo, Delicates. Pre-wash, intensive, rituals, delay and top clean, spin temp. Yeah, it's the Becco. This time is second edition. This one is also second edition. Oh yeah. Not again, Magic Romania. BM3 NF AMF NF SU 38413 WP. Cons Eco 4060 Savannahs. Cons with pre-wash. Extra super express, gentle care mix, spit rain, rinse, drum clean, dark edges, stank expert, shirts, hygiene plus, cold wash, water here, time delay, spin temperature instead, just 4 bullets, so that's it. Start pause. On fast tier option. The Becco. Hope it's not making Romania again. Please. No, come on, Magic Romania again. WE 8726 XSD. Corns equals 4060 Scotix Express X40 hand wash. Jet care, spin drain, rinse, dark engine, Auto Sports, Sun Expert, Hygiene Plus, Dubware, shirts. On off. Temperature 1960. 40, 30, 20 cold, especially 1400, 1200, 800, 600 with all no spin. Pre-wash fast, extra rinse, stop wash. Door lock, wash, spin, and console. Anti-crease plus. Tool clean, 3 seconds. Jar 3 seconds. 3 seconds. We have this Becco. Finally, here's the model here. Finally. To be AJ24065BY. They got 50 programs, cons 20, cons 40, Eco 4060, 40 pre-wash. 60, 90, or 30, so no 40. Spin drain, rinse, like silk. Ithaca 13, 40, so no 60. Quick mix 40. Super quick 30 degrees, 30 minutes. Hygiene plus 60 degrees. But I think this is not a bonus, it's nothing. It's supposed to be finishing, perfect. Start reload. Another Becco here. Another Becco. Why made you Romania again? I don't like Romania. I'm in UK. B5WF U78418WPB. Sorry. Libra 500. Got ICA 4060 Stratix. Extra Service Express. Woolens Hand Wash. Jetcare. Down Brown. Plus Drain. Rinse. Dark Jeans. Other Sports. Stat Expert. Hygiene Plus. Downwear. Shirts. Temperature, speed, pre-wash, steam, fart, delay, time delay, order, bar, auto start pause.
Devono acertar.
2 machines left. 2 machines left. Very cool. Okay, hope this one's not made in Romania. No again. Oh, come on. BM3WFSU 47415WP. B300 here. Guns EK 4060 Cephalics. Super Express. Gentle Care. Jeans Mix. Plus Drain, Rinse, Drunk Clean, Hygiene Plus, Stat Expert, Shirts, Steam Therapy, Cold Wash. Oh. Temperature, speed. D. Fast. Water plus or extra. Steam, orderly. Time delay, stop pause. And the last one is the Candy Smart made in People Republic of China. CS1482 DW4/1S. Again, Candy Sauce. That's one has models on the end of the title. Of smartwatch. Green here. Comes with pre-wash. EK 4060, Delicate 20. Cephalics. Rinse. Spin. Jeans, hygiene, hand wash, sales, 59 minutes shirts, 14, 50, 44 minutes rapid, perfect cotton 59 minutes, top boost, spin speed 40,000, 800, 400, a spin, temperature 90, 60, 40, 30, 20, or cold, to turn off the temperature. Rapid soil, Google and data, time delay options. That's all the machines we have. Also our dishwashers here. Okay, that was I just reviewed 4 of them. Okay, thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. Goodbye, peace out.